Hi friends, welcome all of you back to my YouTube channel. This is Virtual Teacher and Pawan. Today I am going to show you how you can install and run Windows XP inside of Oracle VirtualBox Windows Manager. So let's get started our video. Please subscribe my YouTube channel, turn on notification and join with me. Okay friends, first of all we need to turn off Hyper-V function on our Windows PC, because of otherwise we can't install 64-bit version of this Windows XP installation package on our VirtualBox, because it will not detect 64-bit processor if we didn't turn off this Hyper-V function on our Windows. So if you want to do this, you need to search for Windows features, then you can find this turn on or off Windows features option. Then you need to click on open. Now you can get this screen. Then in here you need to unselect this Hyper-V function and press OK. I have already disabled that one, that's why it's not selected in here. Then you need to press OK. After disabling of Hyper-V, you need to reboot your PC. Then you can open this VirtualBox. I am not going to tell you how you can install this VirtualBox on your PC because it's too easy to install. You can refer the link that I have added to the description of this video. Then you can download all the disk images file for install Windows XP on your PC, and also you can download this application from given links in the description of this video. Then you can install it on your PC. And then we need to click on this new button to create a new virtual machine for install Windows XP on our VirtualBox. Then type here Windows XP. Now you can see it's automatically selected to Windows XP 32-bit version. Then we need to change it into Windows XP 64-bit. Now click on next. Now you can adjust the RAM size for work with that 64-bit Windows XP. Now click on again create. Now in here you need to click on again next. Now when it comes to here, if you selected this dynamic allocated option, it will automatically increase the disk size as per the usage of your Windows XP OS that installed inside of this Oracle VirtualBox VM Manager. If you selected this fixed size for your hard disk, it will significantly increase the performance of your Windows XP that installed on that virtual machine. Then I am going to this fixed size option, then click on again next and click on create after selecting the size of your hard disk. Then we need to wait until completing of this process. Now our disk image creation process is completed. Then you need to click on setting icon here and then click on system. Now click on processor option and enable this one. You can increase your processors to this VirtualBox from here. I have only 2 processors, then I can increase that one into 1 processor. Then you need to click on this display setting and enable 3D acceleration if you are going to run 3D application inside of VirtualBox. And also you need to go to storage setting and choose the disk image file into here. Click here and choose a disk image file and select the downloaded Windows XP disk image file. You can download this disk image file from the given link. Now enable this live CD DVD option, and then you need to create a shared folder for share files between these 2 operating system, that means your original operating system and your virtual system. Then you need to select a folder for that purpose. I have already created a folder for this, so this is the folder that I have created. You can create a folder on your desktop or anywhere and you can select that folder, then turn on this auto mount option and press OK. Now we have successfully setting up everything. Then you need to click on OK to save and you can start your VirtualBox. When it comes to here, you need to click on here and press enter button to continue. Now you need to again press F8 button to agree for this screen. Now enter again to install. press enter once again. Then wait until completing of this process. Then click on next, enter a name and continue. Then we need to enter a product key. In here, if you want to copy some product keys from Google and paste it here, you need to click on this devices option and click on this shared clipboard option. Then you need to enable host to guest option. Then you can copy any code from Google and paste it here. So guys, our copy and pasting options are not working here, so then I have to enter the code manually. Now click on next again and click on next. Then if you want to, you can adjust your time and date, and you can continue to the installation process. Click on next again and click on next. So here you can see we have successfully installed Windows XP on our VirtualBox. Let's see, try to open my computer and see whether our files are working or not. In here we can't still access to our Windows XP files. Then we need to click on this devices option and click on insert ghost addition CD image option. After inserting that ghost addition CD image and we need to restart our VirtualBox once again, then only we can get this one into working. Now exit from that window and click on open this one once again. Then you need to install this setup. Okay guys, then we have successfully rebooted our VirtualBox once again. Let's we try to open that shared folder and see whether it's working or not. You can see our folder is successfully working. Then we can share files between these two OSs. Other than that, after installing that ghost addition CD, our image is working fine. Then we need to scale this one into once again this size, and also you need to click on here and change this resize into 640 multiplied by 480. Then click on here and here again, then it will count to the normal screen like this. So this is the end of our video. Thank you all for watching this video. Please subscribe my YouTube channel, turn on notification and join with me.